Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Vina Ismatul Maula, grade 12 Science 6, number 13. Here, I will present material about discussion text. Have you and your friends had different opinion? Well, the difference of opinion is natural here. Do not just because of different opinion, we become enemies. Better, with a different point of view, we can open our mind to judge something as a whole, like the text that we will study this time, namely the discussion text. Let's study together. Let's start with the definition of discussion text. Discussion text is a text that presents two points of view, pros and cons objectively. So, discussion text merupakan teks yang menyajikan dua sudut pandang, yaitu pro dan kontra. Secara objektif, we usually find writing or discussion text in philosophical, historical, and social writings. The purpose of discussion text is to express our opinion about a certain issue, whether it is a pro or a con. Jadi, tujuan dari discussion text adalah untuk menunjukkan argumen-argumen dari dua sudut pandang akan suatu isu agar pembacanya memiliki sudut pandang yang baru, tidak hanya terfokus terhadap satu sisi saja. The structure of the discussion text is issue, arguments for or supporting point, argument against or contrasting point, and then conclusion or recommendation. Issue. The first paragraph that introduces an issue or problem which will be discussed in the article. Isu terletak di paragraf pertama yang berisi penempatan masalah atau isu yang akan didiskusikan atau pemaparan tentang isu yang akan dibahas atau didiskusikan dalam tulisan tersebut. For example, recently, online games have become more and more popular. While it has been popularized by a wide range of age groups, the debate on its positive and negative implications remain unanswered. So online can be a concern? So the issue raised it is online games. Arguments for or supporting point. The part that contains an explanation that is positive or pro. Arguments for or supporting point merupakan bagian yang berisikan penjelasan yang bersifat positif atau pro. Example, active players believe that online games help with their motoric development. Online games require a great deal of hand-eye and movement coordination. Leg can strengthen one growth and fine motor skills. Some might even argue that online games are educational. Most online games are presented in English. Thus, many who do not consider English as their native language can often learn new vocabulary by playing. Argument are issued in favor of online game is a good thing, can improve motor skills, and as a learning resource. Argument against or contrasting point, the part that contains an explanation that is negative or con. Argument against or contrasting point merupakan bagian yang berisi penjelasan yang bersifat negatif atau kontra. Example, on the other hand, playing online games could also be perceived in a negative light, particularly as a time-wasting activity. Some will say that it might be better to do more fruitful activities, such as studying and reading. Moreover, it is considered to be addicting. On top of that, when not done carefully, online games could also lead to offenses. There have been some cases where underage players commit offenses when they purchase items in the online store without supervision. Additionally, online game players often develop health problems such as sight and hearing problems from all the screen time and excessive headphone uses. Jadi, argumen ini menolak bahwa game online hanya membuang-buang waktu, menyebabkan kecanduan, dan menyebabkan masalah kesehatan. Conclusion or recommendation. The part that contains conclusion or suggestions, the author and the issue being discussed, in the hope that the reader can follow and agree with the author's opinion. Conclusion or recommendation merupakan kesimpulan atau rekomendasi penulis terhadap isu yang sedang didiskusikan, dengan harapan pembaca dapat mengikuti dan setuju dengan pendapat penulis. Dalam bagian ini, penulis menghadirkan kesimpulan atau bisa juga rekomendasi dari isu permasalahan yang didiskusikan. Example: to sum up, online games have both positive and negative effects. While it may be beneficial, we need to be wise and manage our time to minimize the drawbacks of online games. Well, that's the definition, purpose, and structure of the discussion text. Next, we will study the language feature in the discussion text. The language feature of the discussion text is using simple present tense, using modals, and using conjunction and transition adding. And then using conjunction and transition contrasting, and then using thinking verb. The first is simple present tense. The tenses pattern of the simple present tense is subject plus verb 1 or verb 1 s or es, subject plus to be plus complement. Example: some may even argue that online games are educational. And then models. So have to, must, would, might. Example: some work say that it may be better to do more fruitful activities, such as studying and reading. In addition to using the simple present tense, the discussion text also uses conjunction and transition adding. Conjunction connect two words, phrases, or clauses. Konjungsi menghubungkan dua kata, frasa, atau klausa. Transition connects two stanzas or paragraph. Transisi menghubungkan dua kalimat atau paragraf. For example, conjunction and, dan, as well as, begitu juga, not only but also, bukan hanya tapi juga, transition, also, juga, in addition, sebagai tambahan, moreover, bahkan, atau selain itu. Then, conjunction and transition contrasting. Conjunction and transition contrasting compare two things that are different or contradictory. Konjungsi dan transisi kontras membandingkan dua hal yang berbeda atau bertolak belakang. For example, conjunction, but, tapi, while, sedangkan, even though, walaupun, preposition, despite, in spite of, meskipun, transition, however, namun, nevertheless, meskipun begitu, nonetheless, walaupun begitu. And then the last is thinking verb. Thinking verb is a verb related to those activities, or not much related to the body's physical activities. Thinking verb adalah kata kerja berpikir. yaitu kata kerja yang berhubungan dengan kegiatan berpikir atau tidak banyak berhubungan dengan kegiatan fisik tubuh. For example, feel, hope, believe. That's my explanation about discussion text. If there is more or less, I am sorry. Thank you and see you later. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.